Morning guys, it's Kobus here, our camper dream, and as you can see the aesthetics is coming on nicely. I just had a touch up there where it's a bit darker, it's going to lighten up soon, and yeah, there's it, the wall is coming on nicely. I think I like it, and what I'm doing now, I'm just doing some etching. It looks like that, ugly, and when I'm done it's gonna look very nice, because it's just gonna have a nice edge. There's it. Okay, I have to put the phone down to focus, but yeah, that's the effect that we're gonna look for. And yeah, it's coming along. Please like and subscribe. Please comment if you have any suggestions on this Creed Coat wall decorative coating. I'm open for suggestions. Yeah, it's not an easy product to work with, I must be honest, but yeah, it's manageable. I think the wall came out the way I wanted to look. Like I say, it needs a little bit of light sanding, and then just the sealer coat. That's now a close-up, but yeah, that's the look. Thank you guys.